Double R TV, you already know. This your boy, man. Holla at your boy, you already know. Yeah. I got some shit off this right here. Check me out, though. This for the ladies, though. This for the ladies. Check me out, baby. Yeah. Girl, I wanna take you somewhere you ain't never been. Where there's a lot of shit in the condo, balcony, tent floor, getting it in. Feeling the wind, and after we done, she like, let's do it again. I think I was drunk, fucked up and said, you and your friend, hold her tight, because I ain't know what her question was, and she was gonna hit me or get something out of dresser drawer. Thought I fucked up, but she said, Tasha, come fuck with us, come bustin' up. Get your ass out the room, you fucking slut. IMG, you know we buying these, you know we come through this shit, cake whining. Hit that bitch, let her know we ain't lying. Hold up, she want a dick, so I gave it to her click. She already know my name, double off in this bitch. She already know my name, double off in this bitch. Had her screaming, froggy up, baby, you good. She like, oh no, baby, we so hood. I done told you, I get you and just show you. Take you to a place you never been, whole view. So close to, I'm close to some shit you ain't seen, baby.